Altitude sickness is a response to the low air pressure and oxygen levels typically found at altitudes over 8,000 feet. To prevent altitude sickness, it is recommended to ascend slowly, giving your body 3 to 5 days to acclimate before going higher. Resting and getting plenty of sleep is also important, as travel can disrupt normal sleep patterns. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water and avoiding alcohol and caffeine is crucial. Eating a high carbohydrate diet before and during acclimation periods is beneficial, while excess salt should be avoided. It is important to learn about the different types of altitude sickness, including acute mountain sickness, high-altitude cerebral edema, HACE, and high-altitude pulmonary edema, HAPE. Recognizing the symptoms of altitude sickness and seeking immediate medical attention is essential for safety.